My name is Gabriel Makamanzi Aka Sekuru. Sekuru, it means uncle. Yeah, that was the nickname I was given by one of my Mzukuru, Andy Brown. I started playing Mbira when I was between 12 and 13. I can't really remember, but yeah, that's when I started playing Mbira. Then meet other Mbira makers, like Mbira Zenarira, Garika Itirikoti. The journey was just like, it's like, even when I think of it now, it's like a dream. Yeah, my kind of inspirational role model in Mbira will be Garika Itirikoti, who is my mentor as well. And my Mbira Megas is the one who made the one I'm actually playing. The Mbira nowadays, yeah, is getting popular. But before it was not popular because they don't really know the instrument. When you play it, sometimes people are like, oh, wow, what's that? Some they're like, oh, it sounds like an ice cream van. Or oh, yeah, my favorite song is Tairewa. I think because that was the first song I learned on the Mbira. So every time, when the first time I lift up the Mbira, I'll do with the Tairewa. Even when I'm tuning it, I tune it with Tairewa. So yeah, Tairewa is my... On the 31st of October, we are going to do a Mbira concert in collaboration with The Africa Center. Please follow The Africa Center on their social media platform for more information. Thank you.